Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As per the title suggests, Elon Musk, my boy, has finally struck a deal with Twitter. I mean, not literally my boy, but you know what I mean. Elon Musk is by far the most richest person on the planet. The companies he founded, SpaceX, Neuralink, Tesla, and apparently Twitter. Compared to his success, I only managed to found this YouTube channel, which has only 8 or 9 subscribers. It's not even an achievement, to be honest. But that doesn't let me down because I'm focused and I'm working on it. So hopefully maybe this channel will also go somewhere more than 9 subscribers, I hope. Now most of you have question in your mind why Elon Musk bought Twitter. I mean, Twitter isn't the perfect social media platform that everyone focuses on. For example, the top social media platforms are Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. They make a lot of money compared to Twitter. Twitter doesn't even stand next to them. So why Elon Musk is obsessed with the Twitter? If you know why Elon Musk actually bought the Twitter, then you're among the few smart people, including me, who knows why he did it. Or maybe the so-called smart people, including me, follow Elon Musk on the Twitter and they are very good at judging what Elon Musk is planning to do. Twitter is not something that you want to acquire based on economic terms because it doesn't make you money compared to other social media networks. One of the reasoning that Elon Musk offers behind the purchase of Twitter, according to Elon, Twitter only surface certain ideology, and not just that. Elon Musk believes that Twitter needs some fundamental changes in order to function the proper freedom of speech on the platform. For example, Elon Musk wants to ban the trolls and other accounts that harass people on the platform. Not only that, he wants to introduce an edit button to a tweet so that you can edit your tweet even after you post them. So does that mean you tweet something and then later on you change your mind and then you click on edit button and you just change your tweet completely or change the meaning of the tweet completely? That sounds crazy. According to the Jack Dorsey, one of the founders of Twitter, he admitted that Twitter does support left-leaning ideology. Of course, Twitter is not perfect and it has its own problems. It has been noticed that Twitter has banned some non-left-leaning personalities, like for example former US President Donald Trump. And the reason you need to bring change in Twitter is because Twitter is so important platform. If you look in the past, the Arab Springs, Black Lives Matter, and Me Too movement has ignited directly or indirectly via Twitter. So it is pretty powerful tool in itself. Now, that being said, let's understand the real reason why Elon Musk actually bought the Twitter. For Elon Musk, Twitter is nothing but a marketing tool that he uses for his own advantage. It is pretty obvious, why would you not influence 89.9 million followers on Twitter when you have them? Elon Musk is an active user of Twitter. He has 89.9 million followers as of now on Twitter. Elon promotes his product in various ways on Twitter. Apparently, Elon Musk has a secret power that he can single-handedly manipulate the US stock market, or world stock market for that matter. And he of course does that for his own advantage. The influence of Elon Musk is so powerful that he literally has to take permission before tweeting from SEC, Securities Exchange Commission, which controls the US stock market. At the end of the day, Elon will do whatever is beneficial for him. Well, whatever makes Elon happy. I would like to give you 2 recent examples where you can see the influence of Elon Musk and the impact that he had. The first example is Dogecoin. When Elon Musk tweeted that they are working with the developers of the Dogecoin to improve its efficiency, until later on Elon Musk tweeted that it's nothing but a hustle, the Dogecoin price fall 35% down. The similar thing happened with the Bitcoin. When Elon Musk tweeted Tesla will accept Bitcoins, the value of the Bitcoin went up. Later on, when Elon tweeted that Bitcoin is not environmental friendly, the prices of the Bitcoin start falling down. Now you might also have a question in your mind. Why did Elon Musk create his own platform which is rival to Twitter? Well, it's not that Elon Musk tried before. He actually tried that before with the Signal, which was a rival to WhatsApp, but it didn't work out. Similarly, when Donald Trump tried to introduce the Truth app to rival Twitter, it didn't work out, despite having similar amount of followers on Twitter. So Elon Musk knew it won't be easy to introduce a new platform, and it would be a time-consuming process to reach to a level where Twitter is today. Therefore, he felt it would be easier for him to use the money that he has to take over the Twitter. And apparently, as you see, the board members of the Twitter were not happy, but when they offer the money, they say, we take it, whatever. Jokes apart, but it was really weird when they denied at first and then they accepted later. But whatever, it would be interesting to see how Elon Musk will introduce freedom of speech across the platform with his recent tweet when he said that, "I hope that even my worst critics remains on Twitter, because that's what freedom of speech means." There you go, guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you really got some value out of this video, I highly encourage you to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and share this video with your friends and family. Until then, I will see you right here next time.